Hi students, welcome to 3rd standard social class video session, lesson 4, knowing my country, India. In today's session, we are going to learn about more information about the state Gujarat. The capital city of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. It is located in the western border of India. Let us go into the session.
In this session, we are going to learn about the state Gujarat in detail. Gujarat is a state on the western coast of India with a coastline of 1600 km, most of which lies on the Kathiawar Peninsula and a population of 60.4 million. It is the 5th largest Indian state by area and the 9th largest state by population. Gujarat is famous for its traditional clothing, food and natural landscape. Asiatic lion, Ran of Kutch, colorful handicrafts, festival and culture are some of the things that make Gujarat famous. So, the location of Gujarat is described as it is western border of India. Gandhinagar is the capital city of Gujarat. Gandhinagar is a planned city in the western Indian state of Gujarat. The Akshadam is a massive Hindu temple which is present in Gandhinagar. Some of the important cities in Gujarat are Surat, Porbandar, Dwarka. Surat is a large city beside the Tapti River in the West Indian state of Gujarat, once known for silk weaving. Surat remained a commercial center for textile and the new textile market area is lined with fabric shops. Surat is known for producing textiles including silk. Surat is known as the textile hub of the nation or the silk city of India. It is very famous for its cotton mills and Surat zari craft. Surat is one of the cleanest city of India and is also known by several other names like the Silk City, the Diamond City, the Green City, etc. Porbandar is a city in the Indian state of Gujarat, perhaps best known for being the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi and Sudama. Porbandar in Gujarat is an important city in India's history, being the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi. The coastal city is also believed to be the birthplace of Sudama, Lord Krishna's friend and devotee, owing to which the city has become the pilgrimage site for the Hindus. Dwarka is an ancient city in the northwestern Indian state of Gujarat. It's known as a Hindu pilgrimage site. Some of the places of interest to visit in Gujarat are Gandhiji Sabarmati Ashram and shaking minarets of Siddhi Bashir Mosque at Ahmedabad, temple at Somnath. Sabarmati Ashram is located in the Sabarmati suburb of Ahmedabad, Gujarat, adjoining the Ashram Road on the banks of the river Sabarmati, 4 miles from the town hall. This was one of the many residences of Mahatma Gandhi, who lived at Sabarmati and Sevagram when he was not travelling across India or in prison. Now let us learn the traditional food of Gujarat. A Gujarati thali includes rotli, which means chapati, dal and kadai, shak and rice, shak, which means a dish made up of several different combinations of vegetables and spices, which may be either spicy or sweet. Dokla, kandvi and kachori are popular snacks. Puran Poli is a famous sweet in Gujarat. Now let us learn the traditional dress of Gujarati. Women wear bright colored chanyo choli odini with beautiful embroidery and mirror work. Men wear korno and kedyu with a fento, which means a turban. The two main languages which were spoken in Gujarat are Gujarati and Hindi. Gujarati is an Indo-Aryan language native to the Indian state of Gujarat and spoken predominantly by the Gujarati people. Gujarati is a part of the greater Indo-European language family. Now let us learn the famous folk dances in Gujarat. Garba is a dance form originated in Gujarat performed during Navratri, a 9-day festival of goddess Durga. It is also known as Garbi. This dance form is often confused with Dandiya, which is another dance form of Gujarat performed during Navratri but originated in Vrindavan. Dandiya is also known as Ras or Dandiya Ras. Now let us learn the famous handicrafts in Gujarat. They are silver jewellery, handmade duris, silver and stone crafts, and bandhani fabric. Do you know, children, the state takes its name from Gujars, the tribe that ruled this area in the olden times. It is the land of the Gujars.
I hope you all got clear information about Gujarat. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.